Good morning. Yes. I know. What are we up to?
Episode 19.
Yeah.
Season 2. Far out.
Ginger Factory!
Yep.
Exactly.
Factory,
You gave it
that's where we're
away.
headed.
That is what we're about to do.
Train.
The Morton train. What else have they got there?
And the boat ride.
The boat ride. They've also got a bee show, which should be very cool, and a ginger factory tour. Jasper and I have been many times.
Yep.
Katie's never been. Yeah, exactly. We might even decorate a gingerbread. What do you think, Jasper?
Oh, that sounds good.
All right. So we've left the beautiful Fraser Coast. We're now on the Sunshine Coast. We are heading south. We've got plans to head down the coast as much as possible on our way to Tasmania. Obviously, as everyone around the world, Australia is aware, there are these terrifying fires that are impacting many people, many properties, and an incredible situation for people to be dealing with. We're going to obviously avoid those at all cost as best we can and keep safe. So we've been working on a plan B and a plan C, and we will
Just have to roll with it a bit, won't we?
we will, and in we're almost there. In the meantime, yeah, we're sending all of our rain prayers and safety wishes to everyone involved. So we are almost at the Ginger Factory. We're going to be on the sunny coast for about a week, and then we're off to the Gold Coast, and then obviously over into New South Wales from there. So pretty excited. Are you ready to have fun, Jasper?
Yes!
Yes. I reckon we're going to have an awesome time. We love the Ginger Factory. There you go. Can't beat that.
Yes! Hey, there's a water train!
It's the ginger that we love to eat. Can you believe that?
Wait, what are you doing?
This way to the boat.
Thank you very much.
beans will be a bit high.
What do you think? Is it good?
Yes.
Ginger Factory, Yandina. What's your favourite part so far? The Morton train. Yes.
Absolutely. We've been on a Play Taste Discover ticket, haven't we? And it's so good because it basically gives you a taste of everything that they offer here, from the factory tour to the live beekeeping show.
That was excellent.
It was so good.
Really good.
The factory tour was such a great insight into the history of Budrum ginger and how it all began, and just exactly what happens to the ginger in the factory process. I really enjoyed that as well.
Yeah.
And of course we've been having unlimited rides on Morton train and the Overboard boat ride as well. So it's a great ticket to really experience the best of the ginger factory.
We love it here. Now, there's only one thing left to do.
What are we going to go and do?
How about we decorate
Is it tasty?
gingerbread?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. You ready to go?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Decorate our own gingerbread.
Please. Thank
All right.
Want one of this one here?
He look like the good guy?
Yes, please.
He looks pretty tasty.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wonderful.
Thank you.
Glenn here, and this is our beautiful property. We looked around for a number of years before we settled on this property, and one of the reasons we did was that it had remnant rainforest and had creeks. We got a kilometre of creeks. We inherited a small macadamia orchard. We got 3 varieties of macadamias, and it was just a pretty sight. It was relatively flat, which is great for, as it turned out, great for camping. People always tell us how green it is when they do come in. Sometimes it can be a little bit of a test with the rainfall we get here, but we pay for our greenery in some way, and that's why we have the remnant rainforest. So with the remnant rainforest and the creek corridors, that generates a lot of wildlife. We've got an abundance of wildlife. At any one time we'd have probably 30 roos that camp underneath the trees during the day and then become active at dusk. And then we've got a couple of resident emus that can be quite characters. So we've got about 160 species of birds. So for all the bird lovers, there's something for that. We're encouraging a lot of animals into the place too, like various bees. We got native bees, and they're great pollinators for the macadamias. We do native bee tours. We've got honeybees as well, and we sell our own honey. We're trying to encourage an eco experience. We try to be as organic as possible. We have quite a variety of campsites. Some are near the water, near the creeks. Others are in the main area. Of course, the main area is going to have power, but yeah, there's a bit there for everybody. We have sites for caravans that are fairly flat. We've got some pretty flash amenities, so I'm told, by our visitors, and hot showers these days. We are located naturally in a valley. It's a beautiful valley that stretches from the back behind Yandina right through to Coolum in one direction and Maroochydore in the other direction. So there is some pretty spots, and it is a beautiful aerial vista too. You can climb Mount Nindri, which is only 2 kilometres away, and Mount Coolum equally is only 15 minutes away, and the beach, of course, 15 minutes to the beach. People love it when they come here because it is quiet. They have the security, and yeah, they love the get away from the hustle and bustle of the coast. You're only 15 minutes away from it, and it's like a breath of fresh air coming to this place of ours, this little piece of paradise. Anybody that's been here before, we have a lot of repeat business. People just love to come here and chill out. So we welcome everybody to come and experience Hidden Valley because it is something worthwhile seeing.
Check this out. We are in Yandina and we are at the Jeffers Fruit Market, which is this gorgeous store right on the corner in the main street of town, and there's just an abundance of everything healthy. They also have organic options as well, which is awesome. Paul and I are on a new year, new us, bit of a cleanse, getting us feeling really fantastic for Tassie. So we're just picking up a few things tomorrow. I think I might make a bit of a smoothie or a green drink or something like that to kickstart our cleanse tomorrow. What do you reckon, Jasper? Should we get some groceries?
Look. Apple.
All right, well, we also need some of these. So can you put those in gently for me?
Yes. Look at this.
Oh, what is that one?
Here comes surprise.
So last episode, Paul hinted at becoming a green mean fighting machine. So I thought, well, I've got just the thing, and we do want to get ourselves really feeling fit and fantastic and healthy and see all of those improvements that can come when you are eating and drinking the right things, improved energy, better sleep, all of that. So I thought, okay, we're going to get back on our green drinks. We love having them in the morning. Jasper loves them as well. And they're such a great, fun, easy recipe and thing to do with little ones in the kitchen, because you can get them absolutely involved in the whole process, learning about what's good for their body. Righto.
Yeah.
Assistant.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Okay, so this one is a gut health green drink. Really simple. You can mix up the ingredients as you like. Stop talking. So we're going to start with a green apple.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so we're just quartering our green apple. Just to really take the seeds and the core out. Doesn't matter too much, it all gets blitzed.
Yep.
Okay. And the next thing we're going to pop in is...
cucumber.
Yeah, yummo. So again, I'm just going to roughly chop that. So the next ingredient we are going to add
is a banana.
a banana. Can you peel that for me?
Can you help me?
Okay, let's chop the end off and Jasper can peel it and pop it in. Now, adding a green banana as opposed to a really nice ripe yellow one apparently yields a lot more health benefits when you're using it in something like this.
Next we're going to put in is a lime.
Okay, that's right. We are going to put in the juice of a beautiful fresh lime. We're going to cut him in half. We're just going to squeeze that beautiful lime juice in there.
And we've got some leaves.
Some leaves, some baby spinach. Get those in there, Jasper.
Blueberries.
Blueberries, and not just any blueberries, frozen smart blueberries we've had in the freezer. So good. These guys are jam-packed full of antioxidants. So next we're going to add in our terra greens. And you can pop it in. Good job.
That's gonna be so good, like super good.
Now these are a powdered fruit and vegetable blend, and they also have some other ingredients in there that are very good for your tummy as well. Plus our beautiful essential oils. We love this. It's a great boost to smoothies, green drinks. Yeah, you can hold that. Okay, our next ingredient is coconut
Water.
Coconut water, that's right. And again, this is so good for you. So hydrating, full of so many great things, antioxidants. Okay, yeah, you can do it by yourself. That's a boy. Beautiful. That's a great amount. Oh, yep, okay. Good job. Now we've got our beautiful fresh coconut here, but I thought we might crack that this afternoon after we do some serious bike riding, so that we can rehydrate with that beautiful coconut water and also eat some of the delicious flesh. Okay, we're good. I don't think we need to add any additional water. You could just use plain water if you don't have coconut water, or a mix of half and half, but I think we've put enough in there. So all we have to do now is give it a whiz with the thermi. We're going to pop it on.
Then can I turn it on?
You can.
Thank you, Mom.
Good boy. Okay, jump back up on your seat. Let's pour some green drink. Get our cups. One for Dad. One for Jasper.
Yeah.
One for Mummy. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Yes. We've waited so long. Look at that. Ooh. Okay, we'll pour one for Daddy first.
Look at it.
Now the blueberries have given it quite a dark colour, but it is definitely a green drink with all of those beautiful green, fresh and healthy ingredients, and the added bonus of our green powder with our fruits and veggies. Some for you, Jasper.
Okay.
Good boy.
The taste test.
Taste it.
Tell us what you think.
Good.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, I better cheers you as well. Cheers.
Cheers, Daddy.
And you cheers me, Mom. Dad, you cheers me.
Mm.
Thank you.
Mm.
So good. That's delicious. Yeah, really good. And so healthy for your tummy as well.
Green mean fighting machine. Here I come.
Here we come, baby.
Woohoo! We're gonna ride some bike ride, and then we're gonna crack that.
Now all of our recipes are on our website, and if you have a recipe for the Weber or the Thermomix that you would like us to give a go, please get in touch with us through the contact page on our website.
Hey, what are you guys doing?
See that?
What is it?
Move it, move it.
Morton the emu. What?